Dizziness. Dizziness. I felt dizziness when I stood up too fast. Chickenpox. Chickenpox. The boy stayed home because he had chickenpox. Asthma. Asthma. He used his inhaler when he had trouble breathing. Measles. Measles. Measles made his skin covered with red rashes. Eczema. Eczema. His skin was itchy because of eczema. Allergy. Allergy. She sneezed a lot because of her pollen allergy. Mumps. Mumps. The boy's cheeks were swollen because of mumps. Sore throat. Sore throat. She could not speak well because of a sore throat. Hypertension. Hypertension. The man checks his blood pressure every day due to hypertension. Cancer. Cancer. The doctor explained the cancer treatment carefully. Heart attack. Heart attack. He felt strong chest pain during a heart attack. Stroke. Stroke. Stroke made it hard for her to move one side of her body. Headache. Headache. She had a headache after working all day. Fever. Fever. He stayed in bed because he had a fever. Flu. Flu. She caught the flu and stayed home to rest. Toothache. Toothache. He cried because his toothache hurt so much. Depression. Depression. He felt very sad and did not want to talk to anyone. Stomachache. Stomachache. She had a stomachache after eating too fast. Insomnia. Insomnia. She could not sleep all night because of insomnia. Conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis. His eyes were red because of conjunctivitis. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. Weak bones make osteoporosis very painful. Diabetes. Diabetes. He checks his blood sugar every morning. Runny nose. Runny nose. She used many tissues because of her runny nose. Arthritis. Arthritis. Arthritis made his knees hurt when walking. Rash. Rash. She had a red rash on her arm. Migraine. Migraine. She sat in a dark room because of her migraine. Anemia. Anemia. He felt weak all day because of anemia. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. The boy kept running to the bathroom because of diarrhea. Dementia. Dementia. She sometimes forgets things because of dementia. Backache. Backache. He had a backache after lifting a heavy box. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Pneumonia made it hard for him to breathe. Frostbite. Frostbite. His fingers turned red from frostbite. Obesity. Obesity. Obesity can cause many health problems. Constipation. Constipation. He sat on the toilet for a long time because of constipation. Vomit. Vomit. He felt sick and started to vomit. Sunburn. Sunburn. She got sunburn after playing on the beach all day. Kidney failure. Kidney failure. The patient needed dialysis due to kidney failure. Cough. Cough. She kept coughing during class. Bruise. Bruise. He got a bruise on his leg after falling. Cold. Cold. She drank warm soup to feel better from the cold. Nausea. Nausea. She felt nausea after riding the bus. Dehydration. Dehydration. He felt weak because of dehydration. Earache. Earache. She cried because she had an earache. Nosebleed. Nosebleed. He got a nosebleed after playing in the hot sun.